Hello and good morning to all the students. Now I am coming with the next topic, that is the asexual reproduction in case of multicellular organisms. So in case of plants, vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation means the reproduction in plants with the help of vegetative parts like root, stem, leaves and bud. That is called vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction in potato is performed with the help of eyes present on a tuber, whereas in bryophyllum it is performed with the help of buds present on leaf margin. Now, vegetative parts of the plants, which are the vegetative parts of the plants? Root, stem, leaf and bud. Now, first we'll see about root. You will see a sweet potato. When we buried the sweet potato under the soil, the eyes grows on it and it grows into new plant. Now you can see in this sweet potato, yes, this is the example of sweet potato. You will see small eyes are also there on sweet potato, a bud like structure, they are called eyes. When the sweet potato buried under the soil, what will happen when it gets the water? From the eyes only the leaves grows and new sweet potato plant grows. This is the best example. We can have another examples in some plants like teak plant. When we buried the roots, it grows into new plant. Yes. Now next is the stem. You see potato we are eating. On potato only small buds are there. See, these are the buds. When we buried the potato under the soil, from the bud only a new potato plant can grow. This is the example of stem. Best example is sugar cane also. Now you know sugar cane. When we are planting sugar cane, we are cutting into its pieces, and on each piece a bud is there. When it buried under the soil and gets water, from the bud only a sugar cane can grow. So this is also example. Now another example in case of stem, like various vegetable plants, they are also buried. Then leaf, this is the leaf of bryophyllum. This is leaf of bryophyllum. Now on the leaf margins there are small buds are there. Yes. So when the leaf of the bryophyllum plant falls down and when it buried under the soil, from the bud only a new bryophyllum is growing. You will see. See, this is the new plant is growing. This is another bryophyllum is growing. So on each bud a new bryophyllum leaves grows. This is the example in case of leaf. And in case of birds, potatoes, sugarcane and other examples like roots also, you know, carrot and radish. This is the best example of root. When we buried the carrot under the soil or radish under the soil, from the bud only, from upper part, the carrot grows, radish also grows. So there are so many examples. So vegetative propagation means vegetative parts can grow into a similar plant. That is called vegetative propagation. So we can have a video also to understand vegetative propagation in case of various parts of the plants, how vegetative propagation take place. See this video, you can clear about what is a vegetative propagation in case of plants. Now watch this video.
Vegetative and bulb are giving rise to new offspring. These structures are called vegetative propagules. Formation of these structures does not involve two parents. The process involved is asexual. Are you aware how plants like potato, sugarcane, banana, ginger and dahlia are cultivated? Determine the site of origin of the new plantlets in the plant shown. You will notice that they invariably arise from the nodes present in the modified stems of these plants. Onion is stem modification. Adventitious roots are grown from discoid in the soil. Adventitious buds arise from the notches present at margins of leaves of Bryophyllum. This ability is fully exploited by gardeners and farmers for commercial propagation of such plants. Terror of Bengal aquatic plant water, hyacinth, drains oxygen from the water, which leads to death of fishes. Introduced in India for its beautiful flowers and shape of leaves, propagate at phenomenal rates, spread all over water body within a short period of time. It is very difficult to get rid of them. Now let us see few examples of vegetative propagules in Angiosperms. A. Eyes of potato. B. Rhizome of ginger. C. Bulbils of agave. D. Leaf buds of Bryophyllum. E. Offset of water hyacinth. Rhizome. Modified stem grows horizontally. Distinct nodes and internodes are present with marked apical and axillary buds. Adventitious roots present at the ventral side. Example, ginger, gingiber, turmeric, and curcuma. Tuber. In Solanum tuberosum, half-moon-like structures called eyes of potato. These eyes indicate the position of nodes and internodes. Scale leaves and axillary buds are present. Apical bud is also present. Tubers have no roots. Example, Solanum tuberosum, potato. Heliander tuberosus. Onion. Underground stem modification. Adventitious root.
So onion also the example of stem. Adventitious roots grows on onion. Garlic you know also. Yes, the roots are growing there. When we buried a onion under the soil, then from the adventitious roots only new onion can grow. So there are so many examples you will have to study about vegetative propagation in plants.
Grow towards the soil. Fleshy, scaly leaves, which are eaten, grow above soil, aerial. Auxiliary buds produce new plant. Apical bud shows inflorescence. Tunicate bulbs are seen in Allium cepa, onion. The imbricate bulbs are seen in Allium sativum, garlic. Corm. Underground stem modification. Grows
Stem. How
vertically
stem
in
can
the
grows
soil.
into new plant?
Nodes and internodes present. Scale leaves are rising at node. Apical and axillary
Corm.
buds are present. Auxiliary roots produce daughter roots. Corm shows contractile roots, which are helpful to put the corm in distinct depth.
सो इसी प्रकार से वेजिटेटिव प्रोपेगेशन प्लांट्स के वेरियस पार्ट्स द्वारा होना, दैट इज कॉल्ड वेजिटेटिव प्रोपेगेशन. सो you watch this video carefully 2-3 times and go through the textbook also. You can clear the concept of vegetative propagation, how take place, and study more examples. If the question asks, write a short note on vegetative parts of the plant. So you can explain by giving diagram, roots, stem, leaf and bud. So you will easily write down the note on that topic. So thank you everybody for watching this video.